How to unpin a video on TikTok. Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to unpin a video on your profile on TikTok. It's so easy and quick, so let's jump in. First thing, go to your TikTok and open your profile. So this is my profile, for example, and I only have one video. For unpin this video, all I need to do is click on those 3 point up and click on Unpin. Now I have Unpinned from profile. This is it. So this is it guys. Hope this video was helpful to you, and if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.